over there. Alright. So let's just get him in there. Chisel ready.
Working in the desert sun takes a toll on the samples and the crew, but we'll press on to try to complete the last goal of the mission. Getting to the top of these mountains is hard work. The weird thing about this landscape is it's hard to get a solid footing on this. Like that. It's literally like being on Mars. Dude, round it! Damn it! It's a London! Ow, ow, ow! Look at that! This is the Iranian monitor. These things are so rare. Look at that. They've actually been offered the same protection as a panda. Absolutely stunning and perfectly adapted for this desert environment. Hey, little buddy. And what they try and do is make themselves as big as possible.
With orbits, I know what to expect from my vacation. Bless you, cannonball.